Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's Scenes I Love video, I'm going to be talking about a scene that is going to expose me. My guilty pleasure, Hum Saath Saath Hai. Actually, I think I'm just calling it a guilty pleasure for the sake of it. It's not really a guilty pleasure because I do really enjoy watching it. And I know you guys might think like, oh my god, seriously, like Hum Saath Saath Hai? To which I just have to say yes. So yeah, I do like the movie, but that does not mean that I don't think it's not problematic. It is, especially the way it talks about women, and obviously because it was filmed like 20 years ago and the world has moved on since then. One sort of criticism that people might have about Hum Saath Saath Hai is that it's very idealistic, it's very lovey-dovey, everybody loves each other in the family, and I get that nobody is like that in real life, but I enjoy watching that idealism. Sue me for having hope. But I also do think that the reason people sort of cringe at Hum Saath Saath Hai is because it's Indian. Because if you just generally think about the theme of the movie, which is about family, and it's like all about family and loving your family, and you look at other shows with the same theme, for example, The Vampire Diaries, Salvatore brothers might fight like dogs, but in the end they die for each other. Even in the originals, we stick together always and forever. But the same thing when it's in Hum Saath Saath Hai is cringy because it's Indian. But keeping all of that aside, the reason I wanted to talk about today's video is because I feel like it is relevant to what is going on in the world. I don't know if you guys are feeling it, but I'm feeling it. There's so much going on in the world with the COVID situation, racism, violence against women, like so much going on. It can be a little bit overwhelming, and you read the news and you read the negativity, and then it sort of gets me thinking about like, what am I doing and what is my role in all of this? There's so many bigger things happening in the world and just questioning everything, and then it sort of seems pointless to make videos about movies and talking about movies when there are so many bigger problems going on in the world. That's when I thought of this scene from Hum Saath Saath Hai, and I feel like it's a little bit relevant. So stick with me, let's watch the video and then we can talk about it. Just to give you a quick context about the scene, there are three brothers. All of them have come to their father's hometown, Rampur, and they've gone out for a walk. And the elder two brothers, Vivek and Prem, are having this conversation when Prem, being sort of the sensitive person, is really affected by the poverty that he sees around him.
क्या बात है प्रेम? जब आप आसपास गरीबी देखते हैं, तकलीफें देखते हैं, लोगों के चेहरे पे लाचारी देखते हैं, तो कभी-कभी आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता कि किस लिए ये सब? कई बार मुझे अपनी पढ़ाई, अपनी मास्टर्स की डिग्री सब बेवजह लगती है। तुम जिंदगी की सच्चाई से भाग नहीं सकते प्रेम। और फिर क्या तुम्हारे ऐसे सोचने से किसी का दुख कम हो जाएगा? अगर किसी का दुख बांटना ही चाहते हो तो काम कुछ ऐसा करो कि दूसरों की जिंदगी में खुशी आए। इस प्लांट को देखो, जब ये बनकर तैयार होगा तो इस गांव में कभी बिजली नहीं जाएगी। ये पापा का सपना है, इस गांव की तरक्की के लिए, उन बच्चों के भविष्य के लिए जो कल चलकर हम और तुम बनेंगे। अभी तुम्हें जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ करना है प्रेम। खूब मन लगाकर पढ़ो, इस समय तुम्हारे यही कर्तव्य है।
So notice the Vaishnava Janto playing in the background as soon as they start talking about life and duty. So that was the scene, and I hope the dialogues in it and what they were talking about sort of explained why I thought this scene was relevant to what I mentioned earlier. To continue a little bit about that is basically all of us have the life that we are been given and that we are supposed to lead, and everybody has their own purpose, and it might seem very small in the larger things of life. Me right now as a student, my job is to study and to educate myself and to inform myself and all of those things. Everybody has their own sort of purpose and things that they have to deal with. But that's just like one thought about it. I'm sure there's a lot that can be said about it. I remember when I was in school once and we were talking about something along the same lines, and somebody had asked, like, you know, what is the point of all of this, of being informed and knowing all of these things, reading all of these things, when you feel so sort of useless about it, when you can't do something about it? It just, as a student, you feel powerless. And I remember our teacher had said something along the lines of that if you are ignorant or if you don't even recognize the problem or the issue, then how can you make it better or try to solve it when you have the resources or the power to make things better? The things that you observe right now, the compassion that you build, the sensitivity that you build, will eventually help you in other ways. Okay, now so since we are already on the topic of Hum Saath Saath Hai and I was talking about family earlier, I'm gonna quickly show you guys this another scene which I really love because I think the dialogue used in this is just superb. Again, some quick context, this is a scene later in the movie. Due to the things happening in the story, the elder brother has left his house so as to sort of maintain the peace in the family, and this second guy, Salman Khan, who plays Prem, had gone abroad for his studies and he's come back now and he wants to take his brother back home with him. Both of them are sort of not budging because of their love for each other.
रामकिशन जी को
सारे कारोबार को आपकी जरूरत है। मौसी जी, ये रामकिशन जी के संस्कार ही तो हैं, जिसकी बुनियाद पर देखिए, दो भाई आज एक दूसरे की खुशी के लिए लड़ रहे हैं।
So yeah, a little bit dramatic, the music picks up, but I love the dialogue. ये रामकिशन जी के संस्कार ही तो है कि दो भाई अब एक दूसरे की खुशी के लिए लड़ रहे हैं. वाह वाह वाह. There's another great dialogue in this movie. I'm sure if you've watched my other videos or know me in real life, you must have heard it from me. मेरे सारे सुख तेरे, तेरे सारे दुख मेरे. I know it seems so idealistic and so loving and so happy, and you never see families like this in real life, but I guess that's what is the appeal of the movie, that it is so idealistic, that I love it. So yeah, I hope you guys had some fun watching these clips with me. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I shall see you next time. Bye.